Alright, I'm going to teach you how to open up a bag of chips so you can share it with other people, okay? So here, you have it like this, right? You just want to open it this way. Alright. I'm going to open it. If this is okay. Anyway, so it's opened. Alright, and on the bottom, you're going to push the bottom up. So it forms a flat base. Okay? And as you push the bottom up, you're pushing the chips up. Alright? Keep pushing up. You see it's going to look like that. Okay. And boom. You just leave it on a table and it is good to go. And then people can just take it out and eat it. Alright? So that's how you open up a bag of chips. So, you know, other people can eat it with you. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Nice little life hack. Okay.